how does it feel to stand up there and to be among the pantheon, the list of greats, and to lift the Brendan Martin Cup?
Yeah, geez, I still don't have any words. I actually cannot believe it. Like, where we came at the start of this year, I'd be lying to say that we thought that was realistic. It was a dream, but we thought we were so far off it, so just over the moon.
And what happened to bring us all together? What were the moments to bring this team together?
Just the drive, the young girls coming in, and each week we work so hard, hardest I can say we've ever worked, and we learned each week and we progressed each week, and once you get that momentum going, you can be amazed what can happen.
And tell me, what was going through your head in the final moments you were coming steaming through? Hannah Turrell to your left, looking the ball and demanding it off you.
Was she? I don't know. I could see the goal and it just kept opening up, and I just said, if this keeps opening, just keep going, and whether it's a score or we just run down the clock. And the time was gone, and I said, look, clip it over and hope it goes.
And tell me about your management team, about Mick especially, who's been around with Dublin teams for many a year. What has he brought to this squad and to this team?
Yeah, I said that about Mick up there. Like, people think they know what Mick brings, but it's only unless you're inside that you know his skills, his expertise, and his just pure love for this Dublin team and the Dublin crest. So everything he brings is with pure passion, and the work that he's put in this year and his management team as well, that's what's got us here today.
And tell me this, where does this one stand amongst all your victories, everything that you've won?
Yeah, I have to say it's one of the sweetest. Just because the year we've had, where we began, and to get here with this group of girls, and obviously to be a captain of this team is just a dream come true.
And great scenes here, great celebrations you'll enjoy tonight.
Yeah, absolutely. I am absolutely thrilled.
Well, my whole co-heart has to release the old Creelan, your fad.
Thanks very much. Thank you.